Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. So in today's video, we are going to talk about top 5 high paying skills in digital marketing. Now these are the skills are very in demand in digital marketing, and if you can master these skills, then you're gonna land a good job and even you can start your own business. So let's just start with the video. The first high paying skill is SEO. Every business has their own websites nowadays, and every business needs an SEO expert. Now, SEO expert is someone who is responsible for optimizing websites, landing pages, and generating traffic through search engines. Now, it's their responsibility to rank your website and increase your page optimization and website optimization. Now, if you're someone who is interested in SEO and want to learn SEO, then I would just suggest that Moz Academy is the best place where you can actually learn SEO, and there's a lot of certifications for SEO. The second skill is SEM or pay-per-click. Now every businesses need someone who handle the advertising process. Now SEM is someone who is responsible for advertising on search engines, and if you're someone who likes advertising, then you can actually be an expert in PPC or SEM. Now where you can learn SEM or PPC, then I would highly recommend Google AdWords. Now you won't be an expert after learning from Google AdWords, but you also need to implement your course as well. But I would highly recommend Google AdWords certification. They are free courses, and you can you will get to know everything about PPC and SEM. So I would highly recommend do this course, and you're gonna implement the course and implement the skills, and you're gonna master this skill. The next skill is social media marketing. Now in social media marketing, I would highly recommend mastering Facebook and Instagram advertising. Now in today's world, Facebook and Instagram advertising has become so popular, and people are earning a lot of money through this. Now I will be highly recommend you to master this Facebook and Instagram advertising. A lot of businesses actually want to grow their business through advertising on social medias, because a lot of people are engaged on social medias and you can actually generate leads. So I would highly recommend mastering Facebook advertising and Instagram advertising. Now where you can learn Facebook advertising, then I would just say Facebook itself offers Facebook advertising course, and it's free of cost. You won't get certification though, but still you will be getting a course for free. You can learn Facebook advertising, and also there are a lot of YouTube videos as well. You can actually learn about Facebook advertising. So yeah, this is one of the highest paying skill in social media marketing. Next skill is email marketing. Nowadays email marketing has become a must for every businesses. Every business wants to engage with their audience and build loyalty. Even email marketing is beneficial for remarketing as well. So every businesses want someone who looks upon their emails and email marketing specialist. So I would highly recommend, this is one of the highest paying skills and you can actually pursue. So you can go for email marketing as well. Next skill is content marketing. Now SEO or social media marketing, email marketing, all of these skills are useless if your content is not best. That's why a lot of companies hire a content marketing specialist who can actually look upon their content and create a great content. If you're someone who is very much good at creating content, then I would highly recommend go for content marketing, and this is one of the highest paying skill. Now there are a lot of where you can learn content marketing. There are a lot of online courses, free courses as well, where you can learn content marketing. So you can definitely go for content marketing as well. Now all of the skills I have talked about, all of these skills require a good experience, practical experience. Not just learning won't benefit you. You actually need to practice them. That's how you can become an expert in this particular things, in particular skills, and land a high paying job. So I would highly recommend that if you are learning these skills, actually implement these skills, practice the skills, and then you will become an expert in the long run. So this was some of the high paying skills in digital marketing. You can master any 1 or 2 skills from this 5, and you can actually land a good high paying job, or you can even start your own business. Okay, so if you like this video and this video was helpful, then do subscribe to my channel and like this video. And until then, meet you in the next video. Bye bye.